Hello, my name is Tiesa, and you guys are watching Fun Time Friends. Today I'm just going to be doing a regular Minecraft episode. I don't have any friends with me today because I'm home alone right now, so I'm gonna wait. How was your weekend, guys? How is it? Yep. I'm just going to start off really fast, hopefully. Whoa, the lagginess. I don't know what just happened there. So we're just gonna really quickly just hurry and collect all this and hopefully get down to underground. Come on, go faster. Thank you. Bam. See this? See this epicness? How fast I can cut down these trees and get tools. I just want to make a little shout out to my brother's channel. His channel is ZG Gaming. It's a really cool guy. I don't know how many episodes he uploads, but it's a pretty cool guy. We're just gonna collect all this wood because we're gonna need it for building and stuff like that. I'm gonna try to upload so many videos today. Not sure how many I can get, but I'm gonna at least try to. If you guys wanted to see my other video, oh my goodness, I don't know how I can link things. I'm sorry, I just totally forgot that. I have no idea. we got this. I'm gonna get this. Okay. I don't know why I switched. Okay, come on, crafting table. We gotta go. We have an apple, so we're good on food for a second. Trip up back over here. Where are you? Where did you go? What the? Oh. There it is. Found it! Oh my god. Okay, let's go get these pumpkins. Oh my goodness, we found pumpkins already. We can just start up a pumpkin farm and not have to go anywhere. We don't have to mine. We're just gonna farm pumpkins for the rest of our lives. That's my plan for this series. We're just gonna farm pumpkins and that's all. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm not gonna kill you because I don't need you right now. I don't need you right now. I don't need you right now. But look, there's no caves. We're gonna die. There's a cave, but I don't want to go climbing mountains right now. Danger. Hell. What the hell, mate? Where's all the caves? I don't want to go hunting the climbing mountains. They're stupid. I don't like them. Gotta keep running, go, go, go. I'm not sure how good this quality is gonna be. I'm kind of trying to yell right now because I don't know how loud the thing is. My goodness, my voice. The actual game sound is. I turned it down so I can barely hear it, but I still don't know. Pew. That's a no. I know it's a cave and all, but I do not want to die. Okay, my first day looking for a small cave, a small cave, not one that just drops. One that kind of has like an incline. Not just a big hole in the ground with stone. Come on, I don't want to have to go down, climb mountains, or go down that big just hole. Just a hole, nothing else. Just not a special hole, just a hole. And I don't like holes because you can die. because you go down so deep. Oh, come on. Come on. I don't want to have to go down. Don't make me mad. But that's actually kind of suspicious. Oh my, that's a lie right there. Caught Minecraft lying. Is that a cave? It's not too high, is it? No, it's not. Okay. We'll be okay. We have an apple. We have an apple. We're fine. And we have those. That looks like oil. Just to be honest, it does. I can't lie. This is like a really good spot for a house too. This is our home now. This is our new home. You better like it. Home for now. Because it's actually a really nice, like, spot. It's like a balcony. This. Just going to. What was I about to do? Yeah, I was about to craft you. So I can grab this stone. And then this skull. I am gonna have to do that. Okay, so. Oh, this is gonna bother me. Okay, here we go. Let's all even one. I'm not going to stop and get this stuff. Okay. Gibberish today is on point. Got all this full up. Put it in the furnace, and we're gonna all be happy. I wasn't the only one that saw that, right? I only put 2 because we don't need to waste. I like the place, what it looks like. That's a cave. How much? Okay. Did I? Oh my god. Did I just really do that? Am I really seeing that I was cooking stone and not my food? I was cooking stone! Oh, I feel so much like an idiot right now. Can I cook the chicken? Cook the chicken. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here, stone. I'll find a purpose for that later on. I'm gonna put my apple away. I don't want to get out of this. Why does it not do that? Oh my goodness. The slime's gone. Come on. Hurry. Thank you. I'm just gonna grab this because I want it. It's mine now. Wait, I gotta grab. Oh my goodness, I'm so jibbly right now. I gotta grab. We don't need a lot. Okay, we got some food in. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away! Go away! Go away, you stupid slime. Oh, it's multiplying. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Get off me. Go away, 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 go away. Ah! no, not the baby slimes. Please go away. Please go away. No, 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 no. This is going wrong so much. Oh, wait. The baby slimes. Wait, can the baby slimes win it? I don't know. Die. Thanks a lot, slimes. Now you're just, like, wasting... I don't like how you're wasting like that. Die. 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 You butts. Get away from me. Guess like about 5 minutes on those stupid slimes. Go away! Don't go cry. Straight off the bat, that's nice. I guess I don't know what's nice. Feel a bit more safe down here than up there. Stupid slimes. They're such meanies. Such meanies. I don't know how long I spent on those stupid slimes, but I spent a long time. And I'm going to really quickly, before this pickaxe breaks, going to craft another craft. So loud! I don't know why it did that. I thought I already turned down my stupid notifications. I won't be so mad. I am so mad right now, guys. I'm so mad. Okay. Nowhere to go. Okay. This will go up, right? For right now. No. I just fought so many stupid slimes just to find out that I have a freaking 2 pieces of iron and some coal. Where's all the diamonds? And the gold and the emeralds? My voice. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna die. I got this. I have to just. I'm not trying to use this coal. I'm gonna get coal. I at least should get. My voice is just like this. I like this voice. This voice is very nice, and I'm not gonna change a bit about it. Oh, here, right here, right here. That's a good spot, right? I think. Oh my God, my voice is so weird today. This cave is weird. Where am I? Where does it come out from? Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Frick! I'm going back down to the cave. I'm gonna come over here and cry. This is gonna be my new home. Just gonna cover it up. Cover up every single. Hopefully I don't die. But this is my space now. This is gonna be able to kill me. Nothing. Hopefully nothing. I should rephrase that. Just gonna hide myself in the cave, and I'm not gonna come out. And I'm just going to dig I'm not going to strip mine because that's very dangerous. Very, very dangerous because you don't need to die. You know what? I'm going to leave this episode here, guys. Sorry for the cliffhanger here, but I will see you in the next episode. Like I said, I'm going to try to get as many episodes out today, just for a Kickstarter. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!